Hey guys, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. I have another bag of goodies with me today, and we are about to unbox some of them. You've already seen the thumbnail, you know what's in here, so let's go ahead and take them out. iPhone and iPhone. These are the new 2018 iPhones, the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. Now, there's still much more inside this bag, but we'll take them, set them aside, and focus on these two for now. This is our iPhone XS and XS Max unboxing. Okay, two phones. Which one should we unbox first? Let's start with the smaller one, shall we? Just a quick look at the box. You have the new iPhone XS wallpaper up front. And on the back, as you can see, we're unboxing the 512 gigabyte model in gold. As always, there's an easy open tab over here. You just pull like so to remove the plastic. And now let's lift up the lid of this box. Nice and smooth. First up, a packet that says designed by Apple in California. And inside, user guides, SIM ejector tool, and stickers. Next up is the main event. You have the iPhone over here. There's another tab you just lift up and pull. And you're seeing it first, the new iPhone in gold. But nope, we'll set it aside first and see what else is inside the box. USB wall charger, and the shape and size will depend on which region you're buying your iPhone. This one is for the UK, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Nope, they're not AirPods, they're wired lightning earphones. And last but not the least, a lightning cable. Now, just in case you missed the memo, this is the first year, 2 years after Apple killed the headphone jack, that they are no longer including or bundling the headphone jack to lightning adapter. That is now a separate $9 purchase from the Apple Store. And speaking of things that don't come bundled with the box, Apple is not shipping a fast charger with the iPhone XS, even if the phone supports it. Now, what about the Max model? Does it come with something that the iPhone XS doesn't? Let's go ahead and check it out. Open Sesame, product guides, iPhone XS Max, and the usual suspects. Now, it's not just the contents of the boxes that are the same. For the first time ever, whether or not you choose to buy the iPhone XS or the XS Max, the bigger model, you're not getting more from one versus the other apart from the bigger screen and bigger battery. Looky here, we have both phones in the new gold color, just so that we can show you what was new. But if gold is not your cup of tea, don't worry, you can also get the phone in silver and space gray. Okay, now to peel off the plastic. And the Max model. Lovely. Boxes to the side. Now it's time to take a closer look at these beautiful new iPhones. On the outside, the iPhone XS looks exactly like the iPhone X. Of course, now it has a big brother to accompany it. We're really liking this new gold model. It's not in-your-face, flashy gold. Apple says the glass on these new iPhones is improved. It's more durable and should be more scratch resistant also. In our briefing, they told us it's even better than Corning Gorilla Glass. Of course, when you power on these devices, you'll find that both phones still come with a notch, and nope, there is no physical fingerprint sensor, just like on the iPhone X. But even if it's more durable, it doesn't mean it still doesn't cost a lot to replace the glass if you break it. So my recommendation is that you get a case. My favorite color, and this is their new shade of blue they're calling Cape Cod. Ooh, that's really nice. Cape Cod is like a lighter shade, almost a pastel shade of blue. And let's put it on like so. Snug fit. And there you go. You wouldn't even know that you had a gold iPhone apart from that gold trim around the camera module and this little bit of gold that shines through on the bottom of the phone. If you're upgrading from an older iPhone, the process couldn't be simpler. Just bring both phones together and you'll get this prompt to begin the transfer process. I actually still have something in this bag, but you're going to have to wait till our next video to find out what it is. Until then, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Our review video for the iPhone XS and XS Max drops on Friday. Stay tuned to that as well. Until then, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.